Whoa. That looks just like you.
I know.
Yeah. Fuck you, man.
That's awesome.
Hey. Fuck you, bitch.
So mean to me.
What are you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna shoot you with a BB gun.
Filling up with blood contents. Oh, look at the lemon. Let me see.
Lemon juice? You should do that again.
There's something about shooting a lemon, it tastes so much better.
How does it taste?
Look at that.
Their faces got split down the middle.
Right in his teeth. Look at that. Shot him right in the teeth.
We both shot him right in the center.
Oh,
Bloody
look at the
remains.
symbol.
We got the symbol.
Look at that. You can see that one right there. That's the actual pellet.
That's cool as hell.
Fold in. Some of them penetrated through. You see that?
You said penetrating.
Look at that one. Penetrating. That one
Crazy.
almost went through. Look at that. Like it almost went through, but like, where'd it go?
Ricochet back and hit my eyeball. You just turn around, my eyes like bleeding.
What else do we miss? That's it?
That's pretty much it.